Good morning. Today the class is related with HTML. HTML represents hypertext markup language. HTML present version running is HTML5. The basic HTML has been released in the year 1991. Coming to this is the introduction, and HTML5 is released in the year 2014. For creating our own website, HTML is helpful a lot. In HTML, most of the tag is a tag based language, and we can see the output in the browser. Coming to the tags, the basic HTML page contains all these kind of tags representing here. Every tag need to be open and closed. This is the basic tag. In between, every tag need to be added. Head section is used for adding the title of the page and meta description keywords, which are used for SEO related things. And we can also add the script, CSS related things in the HTML. Here I am giving the page title as first page. This will show up on the screen in the browser as the title of the page. We can see that the main body of the screen will be added based on the body tag here, which we are creating now. This is a just example, and present version, which I represented as HTML5, can be added based on a single tag. The difference between HTML and HTML5 or HTML5 follows most of the syntactic rules. Nothing but, even if you don't close any of the tag, and we can run the page in HTML, where it cannot be possible with the HTML5. If you don't close any of the open tag, so HTML5 definitely finds it as an error. So here I am saving this code. In another file, for my clear representation and understanding, I am adding some tagging spaces so that we can differentiate the code and the tags. For saving it as a .html or any other extensions, we can place them in the double quotes. We can save the file with the name of HTML or HTM. As we save the file, we can see the difference. It has been saved with an icon of any of the default browser in your system. Directly when we open this, it will open in the browser. See here, we have added welcome to HTML. So it has been displayed on the screen, and there are other tags which are the basics. So this is the our first HTML file. Here I have given as H6, and we can see the difference here. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 are the header tags by default which are been added. Here I am changing this to H1 so that we can easily find the difference. So depends on the usage and need, we can change the we can use H1 to H6 header values. And we can see here the first page as the title, welcome to HTML as a p tag. So this is our first page. So by using these basic HTML tags, we can design our HTML page, and by learning more we can also develop a website for our need.